If you clicked on this video, it's probably because a woman hurt you and you don't know what to do next. Maybe she ghosted you or disrespected you or probably didn't treat you the right way. And now you're probably wondering how you're gonna handle this without losing your dignity or making things worse. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to handle a woman who hurts you step by step so you can come out stronger and more attractive than before. Your main problem right now is that you're probably feeling confused, angry, or hurt. And bro, that is totally understandable. Watching this video is going to give you a clear, simple steps to manage those feelings effectively, regain your confidence, and attract better women moving forward. And listen guys, I've been there. I dated a girl in the past who was sleeping with her ex-boyfriend when I was with her. And then right after that, I came to find out that she was pregnant while I was still dating her, and she was trying to say that that was my kid. So listen guys, I know exactly where you are right now because I have been through this, dealing with hurt, betrayal, and rejection. But I turned those experiences into powerful lessons that transform my dating life. And I'm going to show you guys those exact lessons. But before we dive in guys, here's one crucial mistake that men make after being hurt. And that is letting their appearance slip. And by doing that, that sabotages your future dates with women. It messes up the chances you have on going on future dates. And that is why I created a free guide on what exactly to wear on your date to maximize your attraction and confidence. And if you guys want that free guide, click the link in the description to download your free copy right now. All right guys, the first and most important thing you need to do when a woman hurts you is set clear boundaries immediately. Boundaries communicate your self-respect clearly, and women respect men who know their worth and aren't afraid to express it. Clearly stating your boundaries gives a powerful message on what behavior you will and won't tolerate. And boundaries prevent future disrespect. When you don't set boundaries early, you're basically telling her that you're okay with her disrespecting you. Setting clear boundaries stops toxic behavior from escalating. And guys, boundaries also increases attraction. And ironically, setting boundaries and staying firm with what you believe makes you more attractive because women respect strength and self-assurance. If you don't set boundaries, you risk being viewed as weak, easy manipulated, or lacking self-respect. And this can result in continuous disrespect, loss of attraction, and even emotional damage over time. And then you might find yourself repeatedly attracting women who treat you poorly because you don't stand up for yourself. But imagine setting your boundaries from the start. You'll not only gain instant respect, but you'll become far more attractive and effortlessly attract women who value you and respect you. Now, setting boundaries is powerful, but the next step is critical to ensuring you don't repeat the same mistakes. The second key step is taking responsibility for your role in the situation. Taking responsibility gives you control, and when you acknowledge your part, you reclaim your power. You aren't a victim anymore. You're an active participant capable of change. It promotes emotional growth. Facing your mistakes or misjudgments head on helps you mature emotionally, making you more resilient in future relationships. It prevents repeating patterns. Understanding your contribution to the issue helps you avoid making the same mistakes again and saving you from future pain. Ignoring your part means you're going to keep making the same errors, getting hurt repeatedly, and blaming everyone but yourself. You'll remain stuck in painful patterns, and you're going to be attracting the same type of problematic relationships, and you don't want that. However, by owning your part, you will break free from the past mistakes, gain emotional strength, and significantly improve the quality of women that you attract. But recognizing your role, guys, is only half of the battle. This next step is going to ensure you move forward. And the third essential step is to focus on self-improvement immediately after you get hurt. Self-improvement builds confidence. That means working on yourself physically and mentally. It boosts your self-esteem, and it's going to make you irresistibly attractive. It also shifts your focus positively instead of dwelling on past hurts. Self-improvement shifts your mindsets to future possibilities and growth. It makes you more attractive, and women are drawn to guys who continuously improve themselves. Guys, this is universally attractive. Women love this. If you guys neglect self-improvement after a painful experience, it will leave you stuck in bitterness, resentment, and insecurity. You're gonna end up sabotaging your potential relationships and lower your overall quality of life. But imagine committing to improving yourself. You'll become more confident, attractive, and fulfilled. Women will notice this transformation and your life will flourish. And guys, the fourth critical step is reevaluating your standards and expectations for future relationships. Higher standards attract better partners. When you raise your standards, you are naturally going to attract high-quality women who align with your values and respect your boundaries. Guys, clear standards provide direction. Knowing exactly what you want and what you deserve prevents you from settling for less and getting hurt again. Standards also reinforce reinforce your self-worth. Holding yourself and others to high standards shows women that you value yourself highly, and that increases your overall attractiveness. If you don't reevaluate your standards, you will likely continue accepting poor behavior, getting hurt repeatedly, and feeling unsatisfied in relationships. Imagine clearly defining what you want in a relationship. You'll attract respectful, high-quality women, experience fulfilling relationships, and minimize the risk of being hurt. So guys, that's exactly how you handle a woman who hurts you. Turning pain into strength and attraction. But here's something critical that we haven't touched on yet. Even when you're recovered from being hurt, you need to know if the woman that you're going to be dating is actually seeing other men. And here's what I haven't told you guys yet. Recognizing the signs that a woman is dating other men is the key to protecting yourself and ensuring you're investing in the right person. Click on this video right here to discover the 5 signs that a woman is casually dating other men, so you never waste your time again. I'll see you guys there.